Hello world. So we are going to discuss about loop control statements which are break and continue. Break is used to stop the loop as soon as it is encountered and don't execute the remaining loop. And it is used to stop the current iteration as well as the subsequent iteration. Talking about continue keyword, so continue keyword is used to stop the current iteration and continue the next iteration. Let's see the examples in the code itself. So first of all, break are used inside the loop, nowhere else. Let's say if a equal to 5, and if I'll use if a equal to 5, and if I'll try to use break here, it is throwing me error. It is telling break outside loop. So we can use break inside the loop itself. However, we can use break inside if statement or if else statement when it is the part of some loop. We'll see that example in a while. So let me take while loop first. A is equal to 1, a is less than 1, and then I'm printing the value of a and iterating the value of a one by one. So when I'm running this program, it is printing the value 1 to 9. Now let's say if I'll put condition if a is equal to 5, then in that case break. So what it will do is that it will print 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It will print till 5, and as soon as the 5 is printed here, it will check if a equal to 5. Yes, a which is 5 is equal to 5, and it will break. So it will break means it will come out of this particular loop directly. And let me write down one more line outside. So what will happen in this case is that it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it will ignore the rest of the iteration because break is encountered. So it will break the current iteration. Current iteration will be broken from this point onwards. So this particular line will be omitted and the subsequent iteration will not be executed. So it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then outside loop. So if I'll run it, it is printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then outside loop. So this is the break statement. Now to understand the continue keyword, I have changed the program a little bit. So I have initialized a with 0 and then I am writing inside while loop a is less than 10, a equal to a plus 1 and then rest of the logic. So what it will do here is that it will basically print 1, 2, 3, 4 and as soon as a becomes 5, it is checking if a is equal to 5. Yes, it is 5. So we are encountering continue keyword. So it will skip the current iterations. So it will not print a and it will go to the next iteration. Then a equal to a plus 1. So 6 value onwards it will print. So it will print 1, 2, 3, 4 and it will not print 5 and then 6, 7, 8, 9 and then outside loop. So if I'll run this program, it is printing 1, 2, 3, 4 and you see 5 is not getting printed here. And then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and outside loop. Yes, so 10 also it will print because when a is 9 here, so 9 is less than 10, then it is iterating the value of a. So a becomes 10. So in the last iteration, it will print 10 also. Now we can use the break and continue statement in the for loop also. So here when I is equal to 5, I'm using the break keyword. It will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will print till 4 and as soon as it becomes 5, it will check if I is equal to 5. It is encountering break statement. So it will break the current iteration. That means it will not print I and subsequent iteration also. So it will print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 only. When I'll run this program, see it is printing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is about break and continue statements.